what's going on? Tsai here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can start your first blog using WP Engine, right? So this one is really great, right? So they not only give you all the blogging system, they give you all the premium themes, and also they have the most up-to-date like PHP and all the support like SSL and SSH. So there's so many features here. So you can go to nicktsai.com/wpengine to sign up for this, right? So all you need to do is click on Get Started. Then you just fill in your basic information, like your company, your email, and your name, things like that, right? Then you can fill in your building info. Then you can click on Create My Site. So right now I'm building my basic information. So I just click on Create My Site. So then they will show you your new site is on its way, right? They will show you your information and they will email you when it's ready. Then you can go to your inbox and you can find a mail like this. So you want to go and activate your account. Then you want to enter your password. So after you create your account, and you can see a dashboard here, right? So you can get access to a user, so you can add new user, or you can get access to all the tools here, right? And all the premium themes here, and you can manage your building, and also you can see some resource here. And if you want to get access to your site, you just click on this action, then you go to WP admin. Then you can start working on your WordPress site. So that's how you create your first WordPress site using WP Engine, right? So you can go to nicktsai.com/WP-engine to sign up for WP Engine. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.